Okay guys, so this is 2 weeks of coloring my hair, and this is how my hair look. You can see it here, here, you can see. So I got this color at this conditioner at Sally, and they said to wash your hair, apply it in your hair and leave it there for 30 minutes. And this is the color Locks. They say it's a color cleansing conditioner, adds silk and shine to the hair, because they said if you do apply this, then they will bring back the color, take away the dullness of the gray or the color, and bring back the color to your hair. So when you look here, you can see you have all these here. 2 weeks now, so I already wash my hair, so I'm gonna show you. Oops, look at this, my friend. This is like red. Oh my god. So okay, let's try this out. This is a conditioner, and as I said, I already washed my hair. OMG, I have to be careful. I don't want. OMG, this is really like so I'm gonna apply this to my hair. And I'm gonna leave it. Let's take off my glasses. I'm not even using a glove because I didn't know it was like this. So I'm gonna leave this here for 30 minutes in my hair, and then you see how it look, you guys. After I apply it, then I'm gonna wash it out. I'm going to put a plastic cap over my head. So I'm gonna apply some more. Apply some in the middle. Apply some at the side here. And I'm gonna apply also some in the back of my hair. And I'm gonna leave it there. OMG, this is so, look at this. Oh my, I'm gonna see how it does keep. So now I'm gonna apply a shower cap over. Look at this, you guys. This is really red, like red. I'm gonna see if it does work. Anyway, I think I need a little bit more at the side of my hair, right here. Yeah, I want to make sure that I catch all the part that is the gray is popping out, like the front here, the middle. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit of the conditioner here. This is a conditioner, just a conditioner. This is so red. I have to wash my hand. OMG, look at my hand, you guys. Let's see what the time is it now. The time is 12:10. So I'm gonna come back 12:40, wash it out, and show you what it looked like. Okay, my friends, so this is the color, conditioner color that I applied to my hair. They said to leave it there for 25 to 30 minutes. So I am going to wash it out. And then I love this color though. I mean, I wish it could stay in my hair. And then I'm going to come back and show you what it looked like after washing it out, okay? So guys, I am back. This is the color Locks Red. It's a conditioner. It's cleansing conditioner. So you have to wash your hair. And then after you wash your hair, I dry my hair. You apply this over your hair. You leave it 25 to 30 minutes, then you rinse it out, and then that's it. So this is the color that I use on my hair, and I did not use the gloves, and you can see my hand. So if you bought this color and you're going to use it in your hair, please use a gloves, my friend, with this color. It is very rich. I really love how it make my hair look still, and I am really happy that I tried it out. I didn't know what to look for, if it was going to change or it was going to leave my hair same way. You shampoo it. I didn't condition mine this morning. I just shampoo it in the shower, and then I just dry it, and then I apply this to it. So this is what I try. Now I am trying to add some moisturizer. You know about this product, you guys, I really love this because this just tamed the frizz of my hair. And this is the Boss Silky Therapist Cure number 17 Miracle leave-in conditioner. I love use this. It does give me my hair that really nice tame. I don't care how fuzzy my hair is, it does tame my frizz. And it make my hair feel silky soft. So try out this conditioner, you guys, that I use. If you color your hair in red and you want the color to last a little longer, just all you have to do, make sure that you buy this conditioner. It's Salad Solid. This was where I bought mine. So you can try it out in your hair. So if I try this out, and then because usually I like to color my hair like every 6 weeks or so on, and if it does work, I don't have to color my hair really fast again, as long as this color. But also use a gloves. Use a gloves, my friend. The gloves will take the color off your hand, because the color does stain your hand. After I finish, I have to went to the sink and wash my hand with some soap water, dishwashing liquid with a little bleach to get the color off my hair. But this is my hair. And you can see how tame my short hair look. It's look really nice, you guys. Really tame and nice. This product here, I really do love this. This is something that I love. It just bid on the pricey side, but I do love this for my hair. It really give my hair that tame. It make my hair soft and moisturized, and it does take away the frizz from my hair. I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Be safe, and I will talk to you in my next upload. Bye for now.